So this is what we're going to be reorganizing. I know it's freaking dark in here. This is just become a disaster. Plus there's stuff in my drawer. Don't look at my drawer. This one. Plus there's stuff in a drawer in my bedroom that I want to take out and hopefully add to that. Move some things into the bathroom. Yeah, this is a disaster though. I'm going to put that spinning thing over here and move some things. I need to find something to prop my phone with though. Hold up. It's a work in progress, but so far so good. Still gotta put my brushes away, and I got ton of other brushes to wash. Uh-oh, it's gonna be banging into that. Can't have that. I gotta be able to spin this so it doesn't hit anything. For now, I'm gonna keep moving this back. So I'll be judging my thumbs. I have sensitive skin. Got very sensitive skin. Oh, I have more of those things though. Hold up. Clear. More clear things. We could use this one. Because I was like, I don't know what to do. Because that way it's not gonna... Some of these... Why does this look crooked? Doesn't it look crooked? It kind of looks crooked to me.